Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is about ticker symbol ICE, and I should be saying do not take off your eyes from the ICE stock because this stock is about to explode and soon I will go to the chart pattern. But before that, just want to go through what is ICE, ticker symbol EYES. So it is basically second sight. So this is a life in a new light, which saying for the people who has a visual complexity, who are blind, or who does not see well. So they came with a product which can help them to understand what's happening and also to visualize what's there. So let's go through their website easily. So the whole thing is to feel more at ease in social meeting, get back to your hobbies, enjoy increased mobility and impedance, and re-engage with your community. So you can see our artificial vision technology has the potential to make this a reality for profoundly blind people around the world. And you can see she's wearing a glass and it is connected to where. So was that it is approved by the FDA. That was a big news, and that is why the share price popped a lot. So basically it has been implanted in 350 plus individuals worldwide, restoring functional artificial vision by renewing light perception and transforming the daily experience in the majority of individuals. And if you want, you can go to their website, see the glass and everything. So in an easy way, right? I just want to explain in an easy way. What's that? So basically, consider a TV. A TV is fixed, but time to time it show you different pictures because there are light emitting diode behind. Consider for LCD TV, it has diode everywhere. So with the same light, sometimes it becomes red, sometimes it becomes black, sometimes it beeps, sometimes it does not beep. So the same set of bulb or diode inside the TV, it gives you different color, different timing, frequency and everything, and based on that you see different pictures. Same thing, this glass, it has a small camera, so it takes the picture and it transforms it into a signal, and that signal is fed into your brain. So it helps you to visualize the scenery in front of you. So basically you will have a feel, at least, even though it is not the picture perfect, but at least you will have a feel of the shape, the color and everything. So it helps the people who has vision problem, who does not see well and who are blind. So that's a very big thing, and I was amazed when I was looking at what the technology can do. This is artificial vision tech, and I'm really excited for this one. So let's go back to the chart now. You can see the share price was around $1-2 and then a massive spike up to $20. It came down and currently it is forming a bull flag pattern, which is really good. You can see the big pole, and now the flag is forming here and we are making higher lows. At the same time, we are trying to break that resistance, which is around 1560, around this area. You can see we tried many times, 1 2 3 times we can. Even though it was a red day yesterday, you see we went up to $18, we came down end of the day, and today again we are trying to push. So the good thing is once we break that 15.7 around this area, I think this stock can easily go up to $18, $20 or even more. So I see this a very good day trade opportunity. At the same time, you can swing if, as long the chart is above that black line. I think we are going upward, and also you can easily see there is a resistance. Whenever we break, we will just go up. There was an earning on 16th of March, which is good. The estimate was minus 0.42 and the report was minus 0.06. The surprise was 86%. So that was really good. And the other thing I want to share that on a daily level, the RSI is so high, and it makes sense. From $2 when you go to 10 times, the RSI become 93. Now it is coming down and it is going sideways. At the same time, the MACD, you see the blue line is so high and it might come down, but again I'm saying that if you're long term, if you want to establish some position, there could be some deep buying opportunity. So do not go with your full position. You can wait. Once it comes back, you can buy more share. If you are a day trader or a quick swing trade, then definitely it does not impact a lot, but very careful looking at the RSI and MACD. Also, if I move from a daily to a 5-minute chart, what we can see here, you can see that what's happening. So a big gap up here. Maybe I'll just quickly draw a big gap up. Then whenever there is a gap up, then there will be a gap down. It came down. The good thing is in this area we tried to fill the gap, which is really good for the share price. Now we are moving sideways, at the same time we are making higher lows, so it's a good sign. And we are trying to break that line. You see the line here is trying to break this line, but we can't. Even today we went up to $18. We came down, then we hit that black line, and again now we are trying to push up, so which is good sign. As long the share price is making higher lows, this is good for the stock price. So anything can happen because the market is very choppy, so it goes up and comes down. But if the overall market is green, then definitely this one can go higher. So keep that in your watch list, because I think it might pop and it can just easily make $18 or $20. Note that it does not have any option opportunity, so you have to play with shares only. One last thing, if I go to a weekly chart and if I zoom out, you can see the share price was at one point around 160 back in 2015, that started coming down. Then even 2018 it was around $15-20. Then it came down all the way, and now it is curling up. And just look at the volume. Look at the volume. So in last 2 weeks, look at the volume, how big we are. So this is a really good sign that the share is ready to explode. The other thing I also want to show, that you see the big spike in volume, then it came down, but you see the red candles are not that big, which means not a heavy sell off. And then we have some green red, so this is really good. It's not a heavy selling pressure. The share is price is consolidating. Whenever you will see another heavy buyers coming in, you will see some big green candle here, and definitely the share price even go higher. So anyway, the RSI and MACD are very high, but again there is opportunity for making some quick day trade or a swing trade. So if you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, my friends, thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.